It may sound like a complicated task, but generating a PDF file is actually really easy. All you have to do is call this data with PDF inside rectangle, and of course pass it a rectangle. This method creates a data object and then calls that draw rectangle. The drawing command that would usually go to the screen instead go to a new file, that data object. And then you save that data object into a file and you get a PDF file. So let's just add one simple method in our application. So first, let's declare it right here. It's an IB action, although we're not going to connect this IB action yet. Call it save PDF. And let's just implement this. Go to the end somewhere. So IB action, save PDF. Okay, so we're going to use that save panel again. So I think this should be familiar to you. NS save panel. Call it panel and just create a new NS save panel. Save panel. A lot of saying save panel. So first, let's get the file types that we allow. Only thing we need to allow for now is a PDF. So last time we were getting all the file types that NS image can handle. This time we're going to specify manually the PDF file. So set allowed file types, and it accepts an array. And we're going to just create an array on the fly, NS array. And a single object in that array with object. Be careful, there's with object and with objects. We only need one object. And we're going to pass a new NS string with the contents PDF. So now it will only save into PDF. Okay, now let's show this panel. Panel begin sheet model for window. Okay. Yeah, didn't do this right. Model for window, and the window is of course self window. This will take a window off this view, and we only have one window. And completion handler is, let's create it on the fly. So it's NS integer result. Okay, we getting this result after user clicked something, and if this result is equal to NS OK button, that means we should save it. So first, let's get the rectangle, NS rectangle, call it R, and get just the bounds of our view, self bounds, bounds. Next, let's get NS data. This is a generic class for holding data. We're going to call it data. And we will call data with PDF inside rectangle R. Okay. Now, to handle errors, let's create a new instance of NS error. Call it error. And create a new Boolean variable called successful to indicate if this thing was successful after all. And get data, write to URL. And get that URL from the panel, so panel URL. Okay. Options, don't really need options, 0. And error is the address of our error object. Okay, this sounds fine. Okay, if this thing was successful, so if it wasn't successful, let's handle the error, because okay, if it wasn't successful, then let's create a new NS alert call it A, and ns alert with error. Okay, and let's say a run modal. This will just show a simple alert modal window. Okay, last thing to do is, so I'm kind of lost. This is this is this, and this should be like so, but I don't see why is this in here. I think it should be like this. Yeah. Here in the end, let's make the panel be equal nil. And I think that's it. I see no issues. Let's just clean. Oh yeah, we have, this is why it wasn't auto-completing, it was running. Okay. So if I build, I hopefully will have no issues. Okay, so last thing to do is we'll connect this IB action. Right now it's not going to be executed. So I'm going to my zip file. And remember, we just wrote that action in our custom view. So let's call save, control click, and move it here. And we have this save PDF IB outlet. So select that, and let's run it. So let me just put something like T, and if I go save, file save, I'll just save it somehow like a test on my desktop, save. And if I go to my desktop, here I have a PDF file with that. Now it's kind of cut, but this is probably because I didn't make my rectangle really fit. But you see the idea. You're getting something that you specified by the size of the rectangle, and it's a PDF file. Great.